Hello viewers, welcome to Rafay YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to show you how to remove this error. So if you run the Flutter Doctor command on the Video Studio, and you will receive the error that the Flutter plugin not installed or the dot plugin not installed. So it means that you have to install these plugins first. So if you are new in Flutter and you want to learn more about Flutter mobile development, then you can also follow our course present in the YouTube channel. I will put the link in the description of the video. You can check the description to find more about Flutter. So let's start how to remove this error. So I have written a small piece of program in Flutter, that the main function and the run app function, and it has a center widget to make the content to the center of the screen, and a column widget that has only the text widget. And the text that we have to shown on the screen is the hello world in Flutter. So when I run the Flutter Doctor command, it shows me this error. So let's remove this error first. So you have to install these plugins. So you have to click on the file present in the menu bar, and you have to click on the settings, and then click on the plugins and marketplace. Here you have to search the Flutter and press enter, and you have to install this plugin. So it will take some time or a few seconds to download this plugin. So you have to install another plugin, that is the dot plugin, and press enter. And also you have to download this. I already downloaded this, but we have to reinstall the IDE. So now the Android Studio has been restarted, and now we will run the command again, Flutter and Doctor, and press the enter, and now we will see the error has been removed or not. So as you see, the error has been resolved. So now let's run this app on the emulator. So we have to use the command flutter run command to run this app on the emulator. So it will take some time to download the APK file on the emulator, and then it will show this program or this text hello world in Flutter text on the screen of emulator. So as you see, the command is running successfully, and now it is installing the APK file on the emulator. So it will now also take some time to install this APK file and sync the files to this emulator. So as you see, this project runs successfully, and it has shown the text that the hello world in Flutter on the top of the screen. So in this way you can resolve this error.
So like this video and subscribe this channel, and if you have any question, write the question in the comment box. We will definitely answer your question immediately.